All right, how you doing? Okay, so you had your little brown rhombus there that looked just like this. And we drew that, right? We drew that. So, or maybe we had passed these out today. But we knew that we had those, and we had 4 of them, right? And each one represented 1/4. So 1 whole, if you remember, was 4/4. But then, oh yes, but then, yes then, I asked you to add 1 more, plus 1/4. But then, oh, it gets even better than that. I asked you to add what? No, not your phone number. Another 4th. So, plus another 1/4. Let's think for a second. Could I combine those two? Let's see. Let's go to this side over here. Could I combine these two? I did hear a yes, maybe from one of you at least. But yes, I could combine those. And if I combine those, that would turn both of those into just 2/4, right? Yeah, pretty easy, right? And then I can add those together. And since the denominator, remember, denominator's that bottom number is the same, that's going to stay a 4. But then I have to do the hardest math in the world, this 4 plus 2. Oh, ouch, it hurts. It's 6/4. So we've got 6/4. So now I want you to put on your thinking cap for a second here. And on this one, I want you, if you're on this side of the room now, and you're going to shout it out. Ready? Or if you're at home, just shout it out because it's just you there, right? So over here, 6/4. How many holes are there? How many whole pieces do I have here? No, I don't have 6 full pieces. Nice try. Oh, I did hear it correct. So out of 6/4, I have at least 1 hole. 1 hole, which is how many? A hole is 4 pieces. So 1 hole. And then I would take that 4 away from that 6. If I take 4 away from 6, 6 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves me with 2. 2 what? What are they cut into? 4ths. So what we're going to be working with today is transferring these numbers from, these are called a fraction, or excuse me, these are the fractional numbers, and these are mixed numbers because we have 1 and 2/4. So I'm going to do just a sample one for you really quick. Let's say my fraction that I have, and this is what we're going to be working on today. We're going to be adding fractions, and then we're going to be splitting them up into, well, we're going to take the fractions and make them into mixed numbers. So what if I had 13/5? Well, the first thing I would say is, how many times will 5 go into 13? Well, I know it goes once, that's 5. If I add another one, that's 10. If I add a third one, that's 15. That's too high. So I'm only going to do 2. So that would equal 2 holes, right? Because that'd be 10. So then I could take 10 away from the 13, and that leaves me with 13 minus 10. That's pretty easy. I just got to take away the 1 in the 10 spot. So that leaves me with 3. And how many pieces was each one cut into? 5. So that would be 2 3/5. All right, I'm going to give you some more to practice, and then we'll move on to your homework. Good luck.